Welcome back on CB Next R243.
R243 all day. J'espère que papa na biso na maman biso ba sepeli kuna. Donc Franco.
Nikambonanga papa.
Yeah, donc Chana pena na bigi no mère na nga place Xavier na nga dans les liens forts.
Sûrement te mec ba bini.
Yeah. Mais anyways, we got this breaking news. Black Diamond CD is out.
Bam!
Maxi single, not the album, the maxi single, you know.
I will.
3 songs, 3 tracks, 2 songs. So make sure you get it, because there's a lot of...
It's going fast.
It's going fast, you know.
It's going fast. Trust me, it's going fast. Go get the album.
C'est limité en tout cas.
$5. $5.
Just $5.
If you want a copy of it, you can email to r243@cbnext.com, or you can email me personally, Chris West at cbnext.com, or you can email
or
me.
Dennis Otoko at cbnext.com. Anyways, all the information will be right down there. So
the CD is here, guys. The CD is here. Go support your group, and you know, the proceeds of this CD is going to the album.
It's gonna help us finish our album. We have our album coming out this year, probably before summer or during summer. So we have videos coming up. So just come support us, support Black Diamond. You know, we're counting on you guys. And Ezelo Nabino, donc Ezelo Nabino, donc vous soutenir la crèche.
T'as un sourire au Colgate, manin les bossat. Supporter group. No, Black Diamond is here, man. We're doing it for you. We're doing it for everyone. The message is positive, guys. Please support the group. And
yeah. Comme bon baby, no Black Diamond, c'est un groupe qui est là pour éduquer, pour motiver, you know, pour vraiment faire la fierté du Congo, donc faire la fierté de l'Afrique en général, à l'extérieur. Donc we're gonna go ahead and leave you guys. We have to come back because il faut t'expliquer moi les solos moi il y a Souka film. Mais vous allons Zinzi qu'est-ce que
Pongisa moi sinayo qu'est-ce que